In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your style in WordPress quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's appearance or simply experiment with different styling options, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll be diving into the WordPress dashboard to make these changes. So let's get started and transform your website's look with ease. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you have several options to log in, I recommend using the Continue with Google option for a quick and seamless experience. This method not only speeds up the process but also keeps your login credentials secure. Select your Google account from the list and you'll be directed straight to your WordPress dashboard, ready to start personalizing your site. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Appearance. Click on this link to navigate to the main area where you can adjust your website's design elements. The Appearance section is essentially your gateway to all things style related, providing you the tools to change your theme, customize colors and more. Once in the Appearance section, look for and click on Editor. This will grant you access to the comprehensive editing tools for your specific theme. You'll find options here to customize various aspects of your site's look, providing a detailed level of control over your design preferences. After reaching the editor, the next step is to click on Styles. This will open up a variety of style options you can apply to your website. The Styles section is incredibly useful for fine-tuning the aesthetics of your site without overwhelming you with too many options all at once. Take your time browsing through the available styles and select one that best aligns with your vision for your site. Once you've found a style you like, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, look towards the bottom left corner of the editor page. You should see a Save button. Clicking this will ensure all the adjustments you've made are applied to your website. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully managed to change your style in WordPress. Remember, these tools are there to help you make your website look exactly as you want it, so feel free to experiment and explore all the stylistic options WordPress has to offer. Thanks for watching and enjoy the fresh new look of your site.